A friend of mine gave me this new thermostat from Honeywell because it's open boxed and he didn't know if it was working or not. So I'm just going to, for the fun of it, I'm just going to demonstrate how to replace the thermostat. Before you do so, you have to turn off the power at your furnace, which I've already done. After you've turned off the power at your furnace, pop open the cover, remove the battery, so next thing you want to do is you want to take off the wires. There usually is a white wire which goes to the furnace, which is this. Then there is a yellow wire which goes to the AC. Pull that out. And then there is a green wire which goes to the fan motor, the blower motor. Whenever you see the wind coming out from the vents, that's the signal that goes there. And last, you have the red, which gives the voltage, the supply of 26 volts AC. So let's remove that. Most of the time, the red has a jumper wire. The red wire has a jumper wire that connects from RC to RH. And behind either one of those, RC or RH, there is the actual wire right there. Okay, I grabbed a light to improve the quality of recording this video. So as you can see, the white wire removed, green wire removed, white wire removed, and at the back right there, this right here, that's the red wire removed. Most of the time you'll have a jumper wire that connects from RH to RC. Some units have RC and RH separately, so just be aware that that might be the case. So after all the wires are removed, now we can detach the thermostat from the wall. Most of the time there are 2 screws. Second screw, and now we can just pull it out. Okay, here's my new unit. On this one it's a little bit different. When I pop out the back, you can see that all the wires actually go on to this bank of contacts, and the thermostat just pops into it. So since I'm not going to really use this thermostat, normally you should mount this on the wall with an anchor and a screw through these new 2 holes right here. This is for demonstration, so I'm not going to do that. So I went ahead and I connected red wire to R, and I had a jumper go over to RC. I have the white wire connect there, yellow wire connect there, and finally green wire connect there. So after I have all those connections, now, and let's say it's mounted, the next thing I need to do is I need to put batteries in the new unit. and I need to make sure that, since this is a gas unit, gas furnace, so make sure to switch it over to gas. If you don't have a gas or oil furnace, then you switch to the other side for electric or heat pump. And now I'm just going to pop this in. And that's it.